My name's Ryan Donnelly. Welcome to our home. We used Ryan Daly and with Daly Renewables, we used their consultation, design and install package to service our house and the products that we put into it. When we first wanted to design and build our house, one of the most important pieces was making sure we had a sustainable home for the future and making sure that we could keep our energy costs down for the future also. When we approached Daly Renewables, who we'd heard about from other architects and people in the industry, we were very pleased with his first interactions with us and the services that they could provide. There are many people out there that can provide solar or air source heat pumps and different pieces for your house. The best thing about Daly Renewables was it was a complete package. They were able to offer us an air source heat pump, EcoForest. They were able to offer us a heat recovery system, underfloor heating upstairs and down, and solar PV panels. Our initial priorities were to make sure that the house was completely airtight and well insulated, which in turn helps our air source heat pump run way more efficiently, or as what we've noticed in recent months coming into the summer, it doesn't have to run at all. We are finding that the solar radiation is able to heat up the house during the day, and also the solar panels is harnessing that energy to heat our water in the house and export whatever we don't need after that back to the grid. There are many offerings out there in the market with different products, different suppliers, but the good thing with Daly Renewables was that they were able to source the right suppliers, the right products to make sure they were all integrated and spoke to each other. So we have systems that are running efficiently and effectively with each other rather than one working harder than the system beside it. Over the past several months, we have noticed with our air source heat pump, our heat recovery system, underfloor heating and solar panels all talking to each other, it has virtually left the house at a net zero position. It does cost a little bit more in the winter months, but the summer months is offsetting that the house is costing us nothing to run right now. One of the initial conversations with Ryan himself was around the importance of aftercare and how they keep a non-conformance log of any problems within your house or your systems so that they can keep track and go to the suppliers or the manufacturers later down the line to make sure that you're covered under warranty long term. One of the benefits of working with Ryan is that he has a vast experience working not just with new builds but also doing retrofit on houses over the years, and that experience we were able to call upon for our new build to make sure that we were utilising the electricity in the house from the solar panels, from the grid. The benefits with the systems that we've into our house was also making sure we were future-proofing the house so that if we ever had electric vehicles in the future or we wanted to integrate other renewable energy such as wind, as it can be quite windy in this location, the house and the systems are set up that we can harness that and add in the likes of a battery system in the future, and it's a plug and play for us at that point.